First, you should check if you have Flatpak on your system. You probably already know that. If you haven't, FlatHub is a good place to start. It has detailed explanations of how to install on any of the distributions. Now let's open a terminal. Paste the following command, which will be available in the description below. Choose the FlatHub version. And always choose the plugin with the highest version number. Pay attention to my steps first, if you have doubts. All done. Let's open GIMP. As you can see, there are more options than usual. I'm going to open an image just to test a popular plugin. I choose Heal Selection, which is basically the GIMP's version of Photoshop's Content-Aware Fill. Let's see if it works. And it seems so. It's all okay. Thanks for watching.